Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Side Roses. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the customer rating in Odoo 18 Help Desk. Odoo 18 Help Desk offers customer rating functionality to gather feedback on your support services. Customers can rate their satisfactions with the resolutions of their help desk ticket. This is usually done through a simple star rating system or similar scale. So let's see how can we manage the customer rating in Odoo 18 Help Desk. Let's move on to the help desk module from here. You can find the theme over here. If you want to create a new theme, you can just move on to the configuration. This would allow you to create a new help desk theme. So once the theme is created, the created theme will be available under the overview. Currently, you can see that we have only two themes that are the customer care and VIP support. Now, let's move on to the three dots of the VIP support. So as you just move on to that, you can just move on to the settings of a particular theme. Now, under the channel, we have enabled the live chat. So we can also manage the customer rating from the live chat. This would get in touch with the website visitors and engage them with the special scripted chatbot conversations, creating and searching the tickets from their conversations. So once that's done, you can just drag down again, and under the performances, you can find the customer rating. This would allow you to track customer satisfactions on the ticket, which means a rating request will be automatically be sent by the email customers when their ticket reaches the corresponding stage with the email template. As you just move on to the set an email template on stages, you can see different stages over here, like new, in progress, and everything. So if you want to review any of the stages over here, you can simply open that. So here you can see the stages solved, and if you want to set any particular help desk ticket rating request over here, you can set that. So let's say I would like to set here over here as ticket received, and if we want to set any email template, if you want to get into the email template, you can also get into that. And if you want to get the preview, you can find the ticket over here. Okay, so this will be the preview, and that's how it shows. And let's move on to the help desk module. Okay, let's move on to the help desk module, and let me go to the settings. So under the settings, again, let's choose the set an email template on the stages. And yeah, if you want to set any theme over here, you can also set that. Now, whenever the customer makes any chat with the chat in the live chat, we can just manage with the rating. So here you can find the chat. And if you want to just do with any, if you want to just manage the chat from the website, you can also do that. So you can just move on to the website module over here, and let's choose the live chat. And here let's provide the chat that is need to order. Yeah, need to replace Zook handbag. So let's click on enter to send this message. So here you can see that currently we have just sent the message. Now let me close this. So as I just close this, here I'll be getting a wizard that is you are about to leave the conversation. So if you want to proceed, yes, we can leave, and we will be getting that the rating. So if we are just satisfied with the service, we can just go with green. If not, we can just go, if it's neutral, we can just go with orange. If we are not satisfied, we can just go with red. So in this case, I'm not satisfied, so I'll be providing the reason why I am not satisfied, because delay in reply. And let's click on send, and here you can see that will be sending. By leveraging Odoo's features, you can effectively collect and manage customer rating, providing valuable insights into customer satisfactions. So that's all for today. If you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.